Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. This will be a short one, 3-minute tutorial or so, because Jaden's, what can I say, is very simple to play. We're gonna learn it very fast, so let's start this one up, putting a capo on the 4th fret, and with that we have 5 different chords. Let's go over the chords like we normally do, starting with C. Alright, so that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next. That goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. We have E minor. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so that will be the chord progression from the beginning till the very end. C, G, A minor, E minor, and D. We're gonna work with a strumming pattern that works from the beginning till the end, and that will be very easy. If you grab the C chord, it will be like this. Okay, so that is down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. We're gonna need to speed up this a little bit, so it will be like this. Now you're gonna play C 4 strumming rounds, G 4 strumming rounds, A minor 4, E minor 2, and D 2. That's it. Let's do for a couple of rounds this chord progression. Again, C4, G4, A minor 4, E minor 2, and D2. Okay, so that is Jaden's song here. Doesn't have to be harder than that. What can I say? Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.